My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the malicious pop-up windows that are related to the site rplnd51.com. rplnd51.com is a malicious site which now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to actually make you click on a special allow button supposedly to help you watch some video, but it's a mistake to click on allow button. If you do that by mistake, the browser will be hijacked and infected with a lot of advertisements that will be periodically attacking your computer screen. So you should do something to deactivate these ads. Access the menu, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. In Permissions area, choose Notifications. Pay attention to the sites that are allowed to send notifications. Remove any malicious sites that you may find here on the list. And to be sure that your computer is free of other threats, consider researching it with Combo Cleaner, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and start investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.